Hello, I'm Joan Brander from BabasBeeswax. Welcome to my pysanka power video clips. I love pysanka and I've been making them for more than 50 years. I learned this tradition when I was a young girl from my grandmother, whom I called Baba. You've probably seen some of the other videos that we've made in our gallery and pysanka library. Today we're in our studio. This is where the magic happens. With some basic tools such as beeswax, a kistka, some dies, and proper instruction, anyone from 6 to 96 can make beautiful pysanka such as these. Add some common items such as eggshells and a candle to melt the beeswax, and you have everything you need to make beautiful pysanka the traditional way. I've been giving workshops since 1991. Pardon the pun, but I'm dying to share the secrets of my success with you. I have knowledge, information, and lots of money-saving tips to give. Learning to make pysanka is easy, fun, and affordable. So let's get started. Hi, it's Joan Brander here from BabasBeeswax, and I'd like to show you how to clean out your kistka. When you're writing a pysanka, sometimes the beeswax doesn't come out smoothly enough. It could be because there's dirt and debris blocking up the funnel. So this is how you clean it. You just melt the beeswax like you normally would. Then you turn the kistka upside down and give it a sharp whack on the side of your hand. All of the melted beeswax will come out, bringing with it the dirt and the debris. To clean the handle of your kistka, just melt the beeswax like this and clean it on a paper towel. Now, if you don't want all this beeswax on your working surface, instead of turning it upside down on the table, just use a paper towel and give it the same sharp whack, and all the beeswax will come out.